In task 2, we're going to look at the various ways in which people earn their money. You'll notice the calculator icon. It's far, far better to do these questions on a calculator than what it is by pen and paper. So we're going to be dividing and multiplying by some numbers that would require a lot of work otherwise. Question 1, Sally earns $54,000 per year. Now that's divided up into fortnightly for her pay. So divide by 26, it's fortnights in a year. And when we do that on the calculator, we end up with 2,076.92. Now you'll notice there's some additional numbers on my calculator. I don't need those as I work through. Any rounding, of course, by an employer would take place every fortnight or so as the numbers approach the nearest cent, or sometimes the nearest 5 cent. If we have a look at question 3 now, you'll see that we've got a production worker who's paid for a 40-hour week. Now, some people are paid per the hours they work, what we say is a wage. This could be a person earning a wage. So in other words, 11.20 divided by 40 will give us his hourly rate. Gives us a total of $28 per hour. Question 4, you're looking at a public hospital doctor who's paid a salary of $120,000 a year. If she was to receive a pay increase, what would she now have? Now 10% is the same as a tenth, or if you like, 0.1. So without a calculator, it's moving the decimal point 1 position to the left. So it will give us a total of $12,000 as her pay increase. So if we were to determine her new salary, we get her old salary of $120,000, and we add to that the $12,000 pay increase, which is $132,000 for her new salary. Question 7, we're looking at someone who's working a 40-hour week, gets paid $17.50 an hour. He then agrees to do 4 hours extra at time and a half. Now, time and a half is 1.5 times. He then agrees to work on the Sunday for double pay. So it'll be twice that figure. Now, this is something your calculator handles and handles particularly well. We can work this out simply by putting this stuff together as a string in your calculator. It gives us a total of $980 for that week.